Hello, welcome students. So let us begin our again a next session of video lectures. So uh, in the previous lecture we have discussed a lot of aspect of shell programming, especially on the conditional operators, how we deal with the conditional operators, and here on a specialty of the shell programming, you already know that yesterday we also have discussed that here some sort of group of letters abbreviation are used as a operator as an operator. So in this case, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, every all these things will be treated as the operators, like minus gt, minus lt, minus g, like that. In the previous discussions also we have made those discussions, and now let us start today's discussion. Let us move on the next slide, and we will discuss our discussion here, start our discussion here. And here let us demonstrate a problem. Let us take a problem. So the conditional statement problem we have taken, the conditional statement problem, that is, we have taken a question that if basic salary is less than rupees 1500, then HRA equal to 10% of the basic salary, and DA will be 90% of basic salary. So here it is a conditional problem that if the basic salary is less than 1500, then HRA equal to 10% of the basic salary, and DA will be equal to 90% of the basic salary. On the other hand, if salary is either equal to or above 1500, that means if we translate in the conditional statement that if salary is greater than equal to rupees 1500, you can say, then HRA will be rupees 500 and DA will be equal to 98% of basic salary. So here we have to determine that depending upon the input salary, what will be the gross salary. So this is a type of problem what we have to discuss, and if we summarize this problem, so here it is a conditional problem that if salary is under a certain limit of amount, then a particular percentage of DA and a particular percentage of HRA will be calculated. On the other hand, if the salary is above a certain amount of money, then the corresponding DA percentage, some other percentage of DA and some other percentage of HRA will be calculated, and in the same way we will demonstrate the program. So now let us move on to the program first. So move on to the next slide. Here we have demonstrate the program. We are demonstrating the program here, and so here we have taken up problem here. So the problem is actually we have given the name of the shell script like SS7, So SS7 is the name of the problem, name of the shell script rather, and here we are demonstrating the problem, the and here we can see that we will start our problem from the first. You can see that is first we are echoing about the basic salary, enter the basic salary, and then we will read from the keyboard that about what is the first we are reading from the input that what is the basic salary. Suppose we are storing our basic salary within the BS variable. Suppose it is a shell variable as BS, and then we are doing if here you can see that conditional statement that BS is minus less than equal to minus BS minus LT 500. So the basic salary if less than 500, then the HRA will be basic salary into 10 by 100, that means 10%, and the DA that will be about 90%, that means basic salary into 90 by 100, that is 90%. So here it is a conditional statement that if it is less than 500 set is, then in that case it will calculate in the following way. HRA will be $10 by 100, and that is $BS means that is basic salary. So it is 90% of the basic salary, and else this HRA equal to 500, DA will be 500, that means basic salary, into 98 by 100, that means 98%. And here again we are ending our conditional statement with phi, that means writing in the just in the negative reverse direction, writing the if in reverse direction is phi, Fi. So here we are concluding the if block. Then we are having the gross salary, that is GS. You can, in the slide you can see that is GS. So that gross salary will be here you can see echo $BS plus $HRA plus $DA. That means basic salary plus HRA plus DA, that is the gross salary, and then echo gross salary equal to, just we are displaying the gross salary. Then echo gross salary means we are displaying the gross salary. So after that so this is the more or less this is the program, and after that let us take it as an example that how we will run the program. So this is an output, that is it is an interactive sample, that means the user will ask for the amount that to the means it will input will be asked from the user, and then the basic salary here user entered as 1200 suppose, and the gross salary then it is showing 2400. So it is depending upon the calculation that depending upon the basic salary it is 1200 and gross salary will be rupees 2400. And in the same way another run of the program you can see in the next part of the slide, that is here enter basic salary 2000 and gross salary equal to rupees 3900. So depending upon the input the calculation is being changed. In the first case you can see the gross salary is double than that of basic salary. In the second case it is less than double that under the basic salary. So in this way we can generate our program according to our programming, and we will discuss more on this type of conditional statement in further sessions. So for this session just thank you.